Hello, welcome to Back to Coding. For better understanding of this video, I highly recommend you to check out the previous video or the complete playlist in the description below. Today I'll be talking about the SQLite database query method. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and a bell icon so that whenever I publish a video, you get notified instantly about it. You can build a query using the SQLite database query method. The query method returns an object of type cursor which your activities can use to access the database. Here is the basic form of the query method. The query method returns a cursor, the table and columns you want to access. Use this if you want to apply conditions. Use this if you want to aggregate the data. Do you want the data in a particular order? You can use this version of the query method to specify which table you want to return data from, which columns you want, what conditions you want to apply to the data, what data aggregations you need, and how you want the data ordered. There are several other overloaded versions of the query method which allow you to add extra details to your query, such as whether you want each row to be unique and the maximum number of rows you want to be returned. We are not going to go into all these variations, but if you are interested, you can find a full list of the overloaded methods in the online Android documentation. Over the next few videos, we'll go through some of the most common ways in which you might want to use the query method. Don't forget to check my other videos which can be helpful to you.